Shit is gonna happen here. Shit happens to me, happens to my family, happens to people I know. But how am I gonna handle it?
Bro, I can't make this up. Twice in one day, bro.
CP1 on that thing. Took a little time, but it played.
Come here. Oh, come here, girl. Come here.
I hate seeing your call. Got another one, my boy J Money just got funded with. Good morning everybody. Right now, I'm just sitting outside. I'm just trying to get some sun. I'm at the tennis court right now, just walking my dog. And overall, I'm ready to have a good day. I'm ready to have a productive day. It's the main reason why I wanted to start this video outside. I wanted to get sun. I wanted to start my day off productive, start my day off right. How you start the day is a lot of time gonna determine how you end the day. And as you guys know, I'm not smoking, so I'm just trying to occupy my time. Usually I'll smoke before the charts. We're gonna probably switch it with going for walks, going outside, maybe doing light little workouts. I'm not trying to smoke no more, you know? Not no more forever, but no more for the time being, to build the discipline. Do things that I know that are gonna be hard for me. You gotta do the things you don't wanna do regardless how you feel. That's gonna build discipline, and that's gonna allow you to actually get to where you wanna be in life. All the things that you want are on the other side of comfortability, and it's gonna be uncomfortable. Like me sitting right now, while all these cars over here looking at me in traffic, it's not comfortable. But you gotta do what you gotta do, regardless how you feel, regardless what other people think. You gotta do it anyway. I've had $0 multiple times in my life. I've been dead broke multiple times in my life. Thought nothing was gonna work multiple times in my life. But look where we are. We still here, we still making it happen. And every single day, I'm getting new opportunities that I would have never even thought of. Like, I knew they were possible, but I never physically thought, like, damn, I would be in this position, being able to take advantage of all of them. Yeah, the sun be making you feel good, man. It's only like 9 o'clock in the morning. We got about 30 minutes to the VIP session, and then we're gonna get to work, try to get value. I ain't gonna take no trades today. I still haven't got that second 100K count yet. I paid for the activation, but I haven't got the count and everything yet. I'll let you guys know when I do. More than likely it will be today, if not tomorrow. So yeah, we're not gonna trade today. We won the last 2 days. We're not gonna do no crazy shit, do no dumb shit. We're gonna stay productive, stay focused, and keep being busy.
Come here. Oh, come here, girl. Come here.
And now for my favorite part of the morning, where I refresh everything, we're gonna start with YouTube. So last night we ended off at 6:09. And we have a new video, so let's see what is that. We're at 6:27, and the new video is at 1.3. Yes, sir. Gotta keep on going. And then we move over to our other one. Yesterday, I think we closed at about 285 at night for the day, and today we're up. Yeah, yesterday was 285, and today we're up $50 so far. Not bad. We have even started to get active in the VIP. We also got 22 people already live, and they know I come on at 9:30. So that's when we're about to get on now. So they already here, but we're about to continue giving value and give them what they came for. On the long side, but I'm not taking trades personally. And especially with the way that shit rejected, I would be careful. Even though this is where I would enter, like right where we are on 30 is where my entry would be. But that would be a little risky, nonetheless. For tops have descended. Nah, that's just from the account from yesterday. They had sent me the account and everything. TP1 finally hit. Okay, I'm gonna hit TP1 and it stood on that number for like 20 seconds. Let me break even this, John. Break even, that was a good trade. If anyone took the trade, good shit. Good shit. TP1 on that thing. Took a little time, but it played. All right, so the trade ended up getting stopped break even. It is what it is. As I told you guys, it was a paper trade. It wasn't an account on my actual like funded account. We ended up getting the funded account like as we were trading, but I didn't trade it. There was no point. I might trade it tomorrow, maybe the day after, but with that being said, we're about to enjoy the rest of our day. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I got a couple ideas for ways and things to do, but we'll see what happens. It was a good day, productive day when it comes to VIP trading, and now it is 10:20. It's time to go on with the rest of our day. Yeah, right now, I'm just over here working in my book. My girl just got in the water, bro. It's hot as shit. We at the beach, as you guys can see. And I'm just writing down in my book and everything. You probably can't see it too much, but I'm overall just figuring out the best in me.
figuring out the type of person I need to be to get to my goals, figuring out the best me, what that best person does every day, what are their daily habits, the best trading version of me, what my habits would be for the trader that I want to become. And just, I want to have it written down. I have the date and everything written down. I got the second funded account today. And one thing I told myself I was going to do that I didn't do for that first account was write in my journal exactly my plan of action. Write in my journal exactly how I plan not to lose the account. Write in my journal my exact process that I'm going to use to essentially win trades, to essentially make a lot of money. Everything is written down. Like, I write so much down. This isn't even my first like journal or notebook. This is just one of many. But it's important, guys. It's important, guys. I might be at the beach trying to relax, but the job's never finished.
People on this side, though. Compared to like this side, there ain't nobody on our side. This is the dog side, right? This car is the same one I got, and it looks like they got like the same look. It's like, I hate seeing you here, Carl. All right, so you guys just probably saw the clip. Yo, after we got done the beach, my fucking tires started spazzing. I started losing all this air. And then I went to Wawa, right? I went to Wawa. I went to see, all right, let me put some air in this tire. It's probably just leaking a little bit. Nah, like it was an hour drive from the beach to about the Wawa. And by the time I got to Wawa, I had 0 PSI. Zero. Crazy. But then we had to just get it fixed. My girlfriend, we were talking with her stepdad. Her mom came, drove us to the tire shop to see if they had the tires. From there, I had to go get the car, took the car to the shop, and that's the clips that you guys seen. But it's 6 o'clock right now. It's late in the day, but it's a Wednesday, so I can't complain. This is the life of being an entrepreneur. Some things are unexpected. Like, it may have cost $75 for that tire, and that was cheap just because we knew the guy, plus to put it on. But bro, this is the shit that happens. Life isn't all easy. Even Mark. For example, Mark, if you're watching this video, I'm going to use you as an example just for the purpose of this lesson. He got his car impounded today. Shit happens, bro. It's about how you're going to handle it, how you're going to react to it. That's what's really important. Shit is going to happen to you. Shit happens to me, happens to my family, happens to people I know. But how am I going to handle it? I could have easily made this been the worst day ever. I could have easily let this be like, damn. Because tomorrow I'm getting my car serviced. In the morning, I'm also getting it serviced. Crazy. And I got pulled over yesterday. But listen, at the end of the day, the moral of this little tangent that I'm here to tell you, life is going to be hard. You're going to go through ups and downs. It's about how you react to them. Losses are going to happen, but how are you going to react to them? Obstacles are going to happen, but how are you going to react to them? That's what's important. But right now, I'm about to head back to the crib after being gone all day. Look at the time. You know what I'm saying? Everything happens for a reason. Just remember that. I'm hot as shit. I'm going to get home. I'm hungry as shit. I don't know what I'm going to do next. Maybe go to the gym. I don't even know. My day's kind of been a little bit scattered. But at the end of the day, we're active in VIP. Got another one. My boy Jay Money just got funded with Top Step also. So just wanted to let you know, good shit, Jay. You've been doing good. He's been here for a while. We're at 143 members in VIP. He's been here since probably under 100. So good work, bro. Happy to see it. We're going to get to work. We're all here for him. I'm not the only one helping him. Everyone else is helping him, man. We're getting content. All I got to do is edit, post, and hit the gym. So a couple more things I got to do, but you'll see me where we at.
Bro, I can't make this up. Twice in one day, bro. Twice. Like, bro, I gotta drive all the way back to the crib to even leave the car somewhere, bro. Hazards on and shit, bro. This is... Life could be a bitch. No cap.